Not good. Bit of a leak we have to solve. That ain't good.
Good morning and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daily. We're going to call this one Workshop Wednesday. Just bring these in, give you a quick look around and see what mayhem is actually going on in here. See what you think. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment, share. We have an Instagram page as well called Mini Daily 87. So any viewers there want to see what's going on Instagram, you can have a look there.
We might as well start off at the door, literally. Currently have a Mark 5 in for welding work, and the doors there belong to it, and we've had to move a lot of other stuff around to accommodate the car in there. That wing does identify as dark silver. Now we're currently doing the sill. There's the sill. Now that's not the colour of the car, it's just paint I had lying there, but it's better to get a coat of something on. You can see the two sections have to be welded in. Fun. Anyone that tuned into the caliper rebuild, the calipers are currently sitting in cure rust. I might get some paint on them this morning, although it's raining. There's the other caliper there, that's the back caliper, where we finally managed to get the piston out. I noticed that the pistons are slightly different, so I don't know if we have to send back or that piece comes out. I have to investigate further. Yeah, there's the other front caliper. Might get that in cure rust this morning. As you can see, we're stepping over everything for it. Now I'll bring it in here and give you some light. It's only going to be a short video this morning, just a kind of a quick recap on what's going on. Yeah, this isn't going on the channel, but this is currently where we're at. So most of the sill is cut off, as you can see, in half the doorstep. So we have to make fit what's out there onto this. As you can see, there's the old section of sill, which is pretty bad, and plenty of ginger dust on the floor. So that's what we're up to.
That was this week's Workshop Wednesday done. I hope you liked it. Comment below if you kind of like to see a catch up on what's going on in the workshop, kind of week to week, in between doing the mini and that, the other jobs that kind of come in and have to be done. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. Consider subscribing. I actually have a good few returning people to the channel that haven't subscribed, so if you could please just hit the button up in the corner. It'll massively help the channel, and hopefully then I'll be able to give you guys some more content, try and push to get more videos out and stuff. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.